Hey everyone, so I thought I would do a Crafter Square Dollar Tree Pom Pom Maker review and tutorial today. So these are the different sizes. So this one comes in a pack, and then these two come in a pack, and those are the sizes. I don't have a picture of them, and I don't have them in the pack or anything, but this is what they look like. There's that. And then those two. All right, so these two, they aren't really that much of a difference in size. Like this looks a lot smaller than this one, but the Pom Pom doesn't seem that much smaller. And then this one's definitely bigger. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use them. And I'm going to use this size. So first you're going to open them up. And then grab your yarn. I'm just using scraps for this. Okay, so you want to keep them together. And if they're taken apart this way, if they're taken apart like this, just make sure that you put them back together. Okay, so have these even. I feel like I did them, yeah, this way. Okay, so you're gonna take it and keep it even with each other, and then you're just gonna wrap it around. And then you don't want to get it on this part. I am so sorry. Okay, so then you're going to close it and take it over to this side, and again, keep it under here. So normally I would wrap it a little bit more, but I'm trying to keep, this is all I've got left. So I'm going to cut it here. I am so sorry. I don't edit my videos, so I don't want to really stop. But hey, go play, you two. Okay, so then you're going to take it and make sure it's all closed up. And then you're going to cut along the center. You need some really sharp scissors. These are the sharpest ones I could find, and they're not the best. And my hand was really hurting earlier from doing this big one. That's why I kind of chose the smaller size. And then move along to the other side. I'm so sorry. I think this is the loudest they've ever been in a video. Okay, so then you're going to take your piece of yarn and you're going to slip it through the middle and bring it around. And then you're going to knot it. so sorry. I might redo this video in the future if they're too bothersome. Okay, so then you, after you do that, and you open it up and take it apart at the middle. I just put it together right away just so I'm done with it. Okay, and then I don't know which ones of these were the ends. Okay, so these are my ends. So then you can just trim it up. These scissors are really not good. There we go. This one could have used some more yarn, but I didn't have another piece. Okay. So there you have it. This one did turn out the worst out of all of these. But I mean, all in all, they do work. The quality isn't great. I don't know. I don't have the Clover ones to compare them to. But they're functional. I mean, obviously they did make good pom-poms. And this is better than any I've ever done with like a fork or a pom-pom maker, like the prong one or anything like that. So I do really like how it turned out. It turned out really good. But one of them, I don't remember which one, but I was working on them and the whole thing just kind of fell apart. Like these blue, I think it was the blue one, but these little feet things came off. So the quality isn't fantastic, but for $1.25, especially since you get two of them, because this was in a set and then this one was in its own. It's not too terrible. I don't know the price off the top of my head of the Clover ones. So they did make, let me check Amazon. So they did make decent pom-poms. I like them. They did work, but if there is something that's a little bit better quality, then I would go that route instead, because I think you do get what you pay for. Okay, so the Clover ones, I don't see any that are sold by Amazon. But these ones are $6.99 for two of them. So I don't know if they're that much better, because that is kind of high. I have seen kits like these. For like $7 for 4 sizes. I do have a set. I don't know where they are. I did look for them. Because I was going to compare them, but I cannot find them. But I feel like those are going to be similar to this quality. But, so maybe I'll try the Clover ones if I can find a deal for them or something. But all in all, I would say these are okay to get. I would give them like a 3 out of 5. They did work. They did make good pom-poms, but the quality's just not there. Like I don't know if they're all like this, but this is just like falling. It's not staying put really. But for $1, I'm not really surprised. So I don't know. They do work. I would get them again. The quality is not great. And the pom-poms that they made, so this big one's about 2.5 inches. The small one is about 1.5 inches, and then the medium one is about 2. So that gives you an idea. Hope you like this. If it's too much of a train wreck, I will redo it in the future, but here you go. Bye.